No, share your blessings with the boys,
Don't share
man.
your blessings, you're gay, bro.
No.
You don't even go to church. How am I gonna share your blessings when you're not even Christian?
Ouch!
No,
Ouch! Oh,
Honestly, true.
nothing but the
oh my god!
Yung quiver. Ay, yung machine gun Lulu, gago.
sabay ko quote ko siya yung sinasabi niya kanina. Did you pray today?
Did you pray today? Ay! Oh, tiyan lang yung pistana.
You wanna go, bro?
Damn, I didn't even get my bleed, oh.
Let me move! You fucker! Ayun na yan.
Couldn't even bleed him.
Let's finish this quickly.
Di na ako pinagalaw eh. What is that?
Sino yung mga knuckles blood?
Ako.
Oh, magaling daw! Holy shit!
Your allegiance is nothing to me.
Ano?
Where are they?
Oh!
Oh, shit!
Oh no! Dead!
To somebody. Na naka-ano ko, naka-snowball ako agad.
Ring ding ding. I'm dead. Ring ding 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 ding.
Ano yun? Paano yun?
Ring ding 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 ding.
Set.
Ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 ding.
Shield me from the adversities.
I'm trying to shoot.
Beyblade.
Wala guys, mahina yung ano natin.
No! Sige! Fuck you ako ka! Labanan tayo!
Ring ding 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 ding.
Ang tangki nyo, buisit.
Iniwan ako, the fuck?
I will wait for the opportune moment, like a good assassin.
Peace. Should I machine gun Lulu? Ow.
Run, Carl.
What the hell?
Dude, you're fucking
Let me
dead.
move!
That's really God ship
Ow!
in one breath of life.
Ano, sige!
Pwede ko to talo. Pwede nga! It was a mistake though.
Huh?
He's bleeding, he's bleeding. Sayang.
Guys?
Ring ding 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 ding.
Pwede ko pala talunan yan eh.
Ay, machine gun Lulu.
Saan yung
Fucking
fucking slayer
alright.
mo? Saan na?
They will survive.
Ano yan? Machine gun lulu yan?
Hindi mo. Hybrid.
Oh, hybrid. Wala kang damage kung gano'n.
Head
Sayang.
Oh, you wanna teleport to my back? You cannot move!
One
The soldier boy, you make watch me woo. Now you watch me woo.
Nar.
Ano yun?
Oops.
Grabe.
May nag-roll, wait lang. Oo,
Let's finish this.
guys.
What are you monkeys?
The taste of steel.
You're
What
getting...
the hell?
Ah!
Yo, action is coming.
Ang Z kanina niya pa no, yung mission shit.
Your allegiances mean nothing to me.
Ow.
We got dead.
I remember.
Mag-ult sila.
What? He's still alive! Ang sad naman nun.
You're dead, Sean.
Nah, man. Ano?
Na-revive ko naman.
Sana all.
Kago yung ult ko.
No!
It's just there.
Only fools pledge life.
In one soul. The rest of life.
Sana yung machine gun lulo ko?
Kaling ko lang gamit mo.
Sana yun? Nawawala.
Na-revive yung lulo para mamatay ulit eh. Bobong pula.
Sean, go.
Don't cross me.
Pakita mo kung sino ka. Who are you? Creed! Sabi mo.
Oh, who is the ballsy motherfucker? Thinking she has the balls in this relationship.
Oof.
Ang sakit ah.
Oof.
Oh,
Oof.
I can stun him. I can stun him. Look at him. He can move. You're welcome, teacher.
What
Say
is
daddy,
happening, bro? What the hell? They want it, bro. What the hell?
Say daddy.
They won't survive.
I missed. Lamaw.
Lahat na nagda-dive ng tower, ini-stun ko lang ngayon.
Ow.
Umunote yan sa sarili mo, pre. Hindi worth gago.
Masyadong amaga eh.
Limang
Dapat
sentimo
na
lang gamit.
delightify mo siya, pre.
There's nowhere to hide.
Yep.
Oh! Wow!
Lord, yan
Yes,
para
isan ko
dimahin ang
sana yung
pula.
echo eh.
Let's finish this quickly.
Oh, the AIDS is spreading. Look at me burning the backline.
You are pain.
Buisit na first item ng Tristana yan.
Kita mama yun.
Allegiances mean nothing to me.
Sean, pasok ka nga.
Hell no, I'm too squishy. That makes this purple.
On the
Ay,
razor.
Walang silbi yung hinil natin, buisit.
Ganda ng music dun ah.
Mas maganda ka.
Wow. Wala na. Pong. Uy, nice.
ay gago nasira. Turit.
Kasi di ako makagalaw.
Wow.
Oh, si ano, ini-spread yung AIDS. Bibili ako ng item, Si Andres. Ay, namatay!
Don't cross me.
Brother.
Habang nagbe-burst sila, bili daw ako ng item, namatay daw kayo. Di mo blinano yun, no, Heshar? It just happened.
I never compromise.
Ano mo na kayo? Kailangan. Pinapal ko na.
Speed you up, bro. Nice one.
Bagal nyo na mag-roll, bisit.
Busy talaga ng slow yan. Kakainis. Bili lang ako ng Lord Dominic's. I will shred.
I'm shredded.
Bro, calm down man. Calm down.
Yun o, mag-ulti lang ako. Lukot. Tira mo HP nila, pre.
The burn.
Bibili na ako malik. Masyadong malakas yung ulti ko.
Kailangan mag-machine gun. Pit.
Ako, mag-support na lang, pre. Ay, mag-ano ka. I-build mo ito. I-build mo to. Meron yung item na pag mas mataas AP mo, mas masakit kayo. Na support. Ito lang. Ito. I-build mo yan. Patay mo yung passive yan, pre. nag-stack siya sa AP mo, kaya pwede ka mag-damage.
Nag-nashers.
Hyper. One.
Pasok, pasok, pasok.
Kakap.
Bad girl. Ako yung main character sa game na to kasi ako yung nakabrad.
Only fools pledge
Oo nga,
loyalty.
mag-vampire lang.
Only fools pledge loyalty.
Thank you, I guess.
Diyan naman siya nag-ako. Ay, mana region daw.
Help me.
Per mana region siya nag-stack bro.
Bilis naman ni boss.
AP pa eh. Yeah, ako kasi
Bruh.
yung brand kaya just press buttons and they all die. Mamatay ako dito ah. I'm just doing my damage, bro. I'm just doing what I can.
Si Sean Gaku. The fuck is that HP, man?
I don't know man. Ako yung tinigil.
Hoy, hoy!
Go Carl, become the average Garen main. Carl is actually the average Garen main. Inikot-ikutan.
Ayun na.
The average Garen main over here with 2 attack speed items. Kunti na lang may crit ka, tas wala na. I'm going in. Wow. Whoa!
Resist their fate.
I can't move. We should die.
Baka ako may malaki puso dun sa tore.
Oh.
There's nowhere to hide.
Oh, look at that damage.
Alright.
What if ultihan ko?
Let's
Oh, engage, engage, engage. Engage kiss, engage kiss.
Engage kiss yan.
Pinanood mo ba yun? Ang pangit na yun.
Oo.
That shit so ass, man. Akala ko maganda kasi ang good na ng mga characters.
No! Yung ult ko!
Oh, namamaligtan sila.
I'm the one who knocks.
Flash ko nga pala yun.
Stop throwing your babies at me.
At tumatalon-talon lang sila ngay visit.
Yeah, basta may mamamatay na minion yung kasama nila.
Oh my god.
Stun this bitch. Burn this bitch. Explode.
do not grieve. Only fools
Why did you get hit?
Birods, walang makakawa nun.
Yan.
There is nothing I can do. Tuna has been tuna ba?
Go, go, go! Be fast, bro!
Be fast. Ay.
Nice.
Oo, totak si Lods.
Back off, Sean.
Sean, don't back off. Become our machine gun turret.
Ano yan?
Tayo ka dito, Sean. Tayo ka dito. Tapos ikaw yung Tore.
Don't cross me.
Kita na ako ng build eh.
I think pangit kung mali.
Bastos.
Let me out of here.
Will wet my blade.
Grabe, fini-free hit ka lang bro.
Kailangan
Sino yung
magpatay.
dialogue mo?
Naka-rapid fire ka na naman siya.
I never compromise.
Dead before he can even do.
Sayang, right?
Yun ang set!
Hey, nice.
Ace. An enemy has been slain.
Yeah, it was nothing.
Makakapush na rin tayo after 10 million years.
Action, ikaw mag-tank.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Action, ikaw mag-tank.
There's nowhere to hide.
Let's kill that motherfucker.
Tush!
Okay.
What? What the fuck?
Hindi daw sila nag-heal up dun.
The bastard.
Wait lang, wala akong
Meron ng akong ano. If I had SS. Yeah.
Naligpan siya!
I can what?
Nice ult, Sean.
Oh shit. Ayan na nga boss. Ayan na
Oh,
nga boss.
sure. Wala, may Garen tayo, pre. What Garen? Wala na lang Black Fever eh.
Yun nga, yun binibuild ko.
Garen to.
I can see! Putang ina ang sikip.
O si Kip!
Mm.
That's what I said.
My army grows.
Oh, grabe.
Long lods habang malayo pa sila sa base, mag-4 na lang ako. Mag-roll muna ako, Lords.
Forensic sciences.
On the razor's edge.
On the razor's edge. Sean, why you walking, bro? Sean, they're chasing me. Help me.
Help.
Another body for the gun.
O, dito yun. Sabi ko na nga, see?
Is he the main character? Actually.
The tech, kailangan ko mag-ult para di sayang.
Kailangan natin sila ubusin na.
Only
Wala, nadami siya sila.
Tang inong range ako. What?
Siya mo nung ano yan?
Kan may ult ka.
Oo.
Ultan mo agad
Ano ba?
si Genesis. Ay, si Genesis, si Carl.
Oh, garot.
Gago nag-ult ko. Sigurad nga yun.
Yun lang, gago yung Bolivar ka. May ulti pa.
Ow.
O, si Action
Sayang.
nag-free hit. Si Action nag-free hit. I-revive tayo ni Action. She's dead.
Shout.
We lost.
We dead.
Mecha.
Walang damage si Action, guys.
Wala pa siya mag-work. Wala naman siya mag-work. Talagang kulang lang tayo. Hindi ka kaya. Kaya ko pa tayo defend. Kaya ko pa tayo defend.
It's going in. I'm still
Oh guys. I'll take my word back.
GG.
Lumaw din na ako, boss.